Today I'm going to share with you the 10 ingredients that I always like to have in my kitchen to make amazing tasting, healthy, vegan food. I'm here outside in my Tanzanian yard and you can hear the chickens from the neighbor. Hi, I'm Opare from Food for the Soul, a plant-based lifestyle coach, helping my clients go from struggling to maintain their healthy plant-based lifestyle to thriving while vegan. Here on this channel, I share tips and tools you can use to make your plant-based or vegan diet work for you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the like button, turn on the notifications so you'll find out every time I upload a new video. I'm here at a market outside of Arusha, Tanzania, where I get my produce. But besides those things, there are 10 ingredients that I love to have in my kitchen to help make my food taste great. So let's go into my kitchen and I'll show you what those are. So here's my 10 items, and they're in no particular order. First is dulse flakes, which is a seaweed, and it adds a wonderful complexity to recipes like soups and salad dressings. I mean, honestly, I use this in so many recipes. It's a great way to add a fishy kind of flavor to things, some saltiness as well. The second thing is nutritional yeast, and nutritional yeast can add a cheesy or buttery flavor, and I often use it in things like macaroni and cheese or vegan Alfredo casserole. Or I sprinkle it on top of potatoes. It's a great thing to add. Himalayan pink crystal salt is a healthier version of salt, and so wherever you would use salt, you could use Himalayan crystal salt. I use it on top of my avocado toast, salt and pepper, to give it some great flavor and bring it up alive. Italian seasoning is another spice seasoning that I use in so many different things, particularly in pastas and in salad dressings, but really in anything. This pasta fagioli recipe is one example, and the ingredients are oregano, marjoram, thyme, basil, rosemary, sage. You could use them or just add them individually, but it's so easy to just grab that Italian seasoning shaker and shake that in. The next thing is lemons or limes, and these are lemons. This is what they look like here. But so lemons, limes, oranges, and other citrus juices is great to add to salad dressings, anytime you need a sour flavor to your dish. Chipotle pepper powder adds both heat as well as a smoky flavor. It's a smoked pepper, and I use that in anytime you want, a smoky flavor. In my spicy kale salad, I use that. I use it often in other dressings and in soups, in vegetables. It's a great spice. Dates are a great way to add sweetness. These are not medjool dates, which is what I would use if we were in the States, because they're bigger, plumper, and very soft. But these will work as well, and use them in many dessert recipes. For instance, this date balls. Garlic, we put garlic in everything, and I like to use fresh garlic. These roasted vegetables, I've made a marinade for them, including a lot of fresh garlic, and then I've dehydrated them. So these are all raw roasted vegetables, but we put garlic in everything. And then soy sauce is a great way to add some saltiness to your soups and salad dressings. These are marinated portobello mushrooms, and soy sauce is another ingredient that is used in a lot of my recipes. This is mirin, which is a sweet cooking wine, Japanese cooking wine, and I do recommend that you get the Eden brand only, or at least read the labels, because you want to make sure that you have one that is not just sugar water. So you want one that is real mirin. Go to opare.net/4flavor to download your free copy of my Secrets to a Flavor-Filled Vegan Kitchen, where you'll find the list of 10 plus the ways that I use them and other secrets. And I'd love to know what your favorite ingredients are. Leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite ingredients are for making your food taste great. So that's all for now. Until next time, I'm Ama Opare here in beautiful Arusha, Tanzania. Goodbye for now. Kwaheri.